from North Carolina, and I was finally able to get a picture because the rain was coming down so hard it wouldn't let me record. But a few minutes ago, this was actually a river. Can you see? We don't have a creek up there. It's just a hill. But we're getting remnants, of course, of Hurricane Delta. This is a stone patio. And I found one of the stones that was sticking up a little bit higher. That's what I'm standing on. But I hope everybody's staying dry. I kept saying we needed some rain, but look, it's even got like soap foam coming out of it. Isn't that wild? It was raining so hard about 30 minutes ago that I tried like 5 times and the phone kept fogging up. Well, it's supposed to rain some more today, but hopefully it's going to move to the east of us. Hope it's not in your path, guys. Enjoy your day.